1-hour payouts, up to 95% profits. Hola Prime sounds like a dream, but is there a catch? We tested them to find out. Hey, I'm Andrew from FXEmpire.com. After reviewing hundreds of brokers and prop firms, we know what makes a good one stand out and what should raise red flags. In the next few minutes, we'll break down the key questions every trader should ask. Is Hola Prime safe and trustworthy? Are their challenges reasonable and fair? How competitive are their pricing and funding options? And most importantly, will they really pay out? By the end of this review, you'll know if Hola Prime is a smart fit for your goals and whether their offers are truly worth the cost. Let's dive in. When it comes to prop firms, trust is everything. So is Hola Prime a firm you can rely on? To find out, we reviewed everything from Hola Prime's website and payout proofs to their Discord, Instagram, and user feedback on platforms like Trustpilot. The company was launched in 2024 with headquarters in Hong Kong. Its trading operations are based in the Union of Comoros, and it also holds an investment dealer license for Mauritius. Although it's a very new player, Hola Prime has quickly made a name for itself, now operating in over 175 countries. It has been featured in Forbes and actively engages with traders on platforms like Discord, Instagram, and LinkedIn. That said, Trustpilot did flag some of their early reviews as fake. Still, 80% of users left 5-star ratings, and Hola Prime regularly shares payout confirmations across its social channels. Overall, they're growing quickly and look promising, but if you're a cautious trader, the offshore setup and limited third-party verification are worth keeping in mind. Next, let's dive into how Hola Prime's challenges actually work. The firm offers flexible funding options to suit different trading styles. You can choose a 1-step or 2-step challenge, or skip the evaluation altogether with a direct funding account. Account sizes range from $5,000 to $300,000. Profit targets are realistic, between 5 to 10%, and drawdown limits are trader-friendly at 5 to 8%. This offers a solid balance between risk and reward. For more flexibility, pro challenges come with a 1 to 100 leverage, great for scalping and fast-paced strategies. If you prefer a slightly safer approach, Prime challenges offer 1 to 30 leverage and allow news trading, weekend trading, and the use of expert advisors. And if you're ready to bypass evaluations entirely, Hola Prime's direct account gives you immediate access to a live funded account with no minimum trading days, no profit targets, just a one-time fee and clear risk rules. In our experience, Hola Prime's challenges feel well balanced, diverse enough for different strategies, and flexible enough to meet traders where they are. Now, let's talk about their pricing and how efficient their funding really is. Hola Prime actually impressed us with its affordability and flexible pricing. Entry fees start at just $48 for a 5K 2-step challenge and $129 for direct accounts. When we crunched the numbers, Hola Prime's funding efficiency came out to $188 per dollar on their 2-step challenges, which is quite competitive for the industry. Here's a quick breakdown. 1-step challenge, around $170 per dollar. 2-step challenge, around $188 per dollar. Direct funding, $44 per dollar. That means you're getting a lot of capital for every dollar you invest. On top of that, Hola Prime refunds your fee with the first withdrawal for all challenges, unless you're using a direct account. So it's a solid, low-cost option. Now let's explore the trading conditions Hola Prime offers and whether they're a good fit for your needs. Hola Prime provides a single account type with raw spreads and a $6 commission per round term. While that commission is slightly above the industry average, the spreads are generally favorable. Overall, we found the cost structure competitive for both short-term and long-term traders. You'll get access to 4 major platforms: MetaTrader 5, DXTrade, CTrader, and MatchTrader. So you have the flexibility to choose a setup that fits your trading style, whether you prefer manual trading, automation, or switching between platforms. With leverage of up to 1 to 100, you can scale your trades responsibly. And with over 50 tradable assets, including Forex, indices, commodities, metals, and cryptocurrencies, it's easy to build a well-diversified portfolio. Another standout feature is Hola Prime's scaling plan. Traders who perform consistently can scale their accounts up to $4 million, unlocking serious capital growth potential. When it comes to trading styles, we found Hola Prime to be pretty flexible. News trading, weekend trading, and the use of expert advisors, EAs, are all allowed on challenge accounts, giving you full control over your strategies. Just keep in mind, direct accounts come with some restrictions, including no news trading, no EAs, and a 15% consistency rule to promote steady performance. All in all, based on what we've seen, Hola Prime offers a strong set of trading conditions, with clear rules, multiple platform choices, and support for different trading strategies. One of Hola Prime's standout features and a major selling point for traders is its fast 1-hour payout processing. So let's take a closer look at how Hola Prime handles payouts. Traders can choose between weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly payout cycles with profit splits of 65, 80, or even up to 95%, depending on the frequency you select. For direct accounts, the default split is 80%, but it can be upgraded to 90% with an add-on. Payments are available via bank wire, PayPal, Wise, and cryptocurrencies. And the best part, there are no extra payout fees. Hola Prime processes most payouts within just 1 hour with a low minimum withdrawal of $20. It's definitely one of the quicker and more accessible systems we've tested so far. We've also verified that Hola Prime shares payout proofs on its Discord website and live leaderboard, which tracks real-time results. To sum up, Hola Prime makes getting paid quick and straightforward with good transparency along the way. Before we share our final thoughts on Hola Prime, here's why our opinion matters. Our team is made up of experienced prop traders and market analysts. We've spent years reviewing hundreds of forex brokers and prop firms, over 80 each year. So we know what separates a solid trader-focused firm from one that looks good on the surface but doesn't deliver where it counts. So the big question, should you choose Hola Prime as your prop firm? Let's break down the pros and cons. These are the key advantages we found. Hola Prime is available to traders worldwide, including the US. Payouts are processed in just 1 hour, with a low minimum withdrawal, making it one of the fastest systems we've reviewed. Profit splits go up to 95%. Most trading strategies are allowed. There's an active and engaged trading community. Payouts are regularly shared and verified through their own channels. Now, a few things to keep in mind. The 15% consistency rule applies to direct accounts. We couldn't find any payout verifications on third-party resources. There are also some complaints on Trustpilot. Finally, stock trading isn't available yet. So who is Hola Prime best suited for? Beginners looking for fast and affordable funding, swing traders and scalpers who value platform flexibility, EA and algorithmic traders as long as you're not using a direct account, traders who want quick payouts and clear trading conditions. However, if you rely heavily on third-party payout verifications or need access to stock trading, Hola Prime may not be the right fit for you. Hola Prime brings speed, flexibility, and serious funding power. Ideal for traders who want to grow fast and get paid even faster. If you're looking for instant payouts, trader-friendly rules, and a real opportunity to scale up to $4 million, Hola Prime is definitely worth checking out. If it sounds like a good fit for you, make sure to check out the link in the description. It will take you straight to their latest offers. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more trading reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.